Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be going over ChatGPT Plagiarism Checker. There's plenty of ways that you can do this, so if you want to sleep better knowing that your content is plagiarism free, here's exactly how you can do it. I have a lot of stuff that I created on the left I'm just going to use. I'm going to copy this, and if you go to free online plagiarism checker, there's a ton that you can utilize. There's some that are free, there are some that are paid, but I just found two of them, and what I'm going to do is just paste it into here. Let's get rid of this. And it says, let's see, up to 25K words. That's premium. And let's do, I'm not a robot because I'm not, and check plagiarism. Let's give that a sec to load. And I'm going to go in this one as well, enter your text here and check for plagiarism as well. Apparently I have to sign up and no one has time for that. So let me find another one. I think there's an SEO one I've used before. Let's use this one. All right, so I have it in there and I see why there's an ad-free option because there are so many ads going on here. Let's give that a sec to load. Let's go back over here though. Okay, it's at 80%. Oh, 100%. Let's see what we got. All right, there we go. Plagiarism 0%. Uniqueness 100%. Always a very good thing. Then of course we have this other one in case we want to compare. I'm going to give this a sec again. It's loaded or done loading. I'll go back to you with that. All right, so while this is going, I was going to say, I do not recommend it. This has more pop-ups and ads and crap than you can shake a stick at. It's giving us our 100% unique, which is good, but this site is just very annoying to use, is my opinion. Oh, what do you know? So I'm going to go back here and do one more. This just comes down to, finding a site you probably like. Probably not this one, but it's going to get the job done while I'm here. And let's do, I'm not a robot again. There's Santa floating around. That's great. Check plagiarism. And I'm going to do the same thing here. I think I might have to go back. Yes, we go back here. Okay, so I pasted that in right there. And I'm just going to do check plagiarism. I'm not a robot. And let's see what we get. And always a good thing to see, 100% unique. This is the one when it comes to learning a skill earlier in life. Let's see where this one's at. Still loading, so that one's still going now. Something to keep in mind is that every now and then you can get, say, like a blip here where it's going to be like 98% unique, just because there can be a lot of sentences that are just so broad or so commonly used. Like, say if I put something like "our family sat down to eat dinner," like it's a pretty common sentence where it can be used quite a lot of times. So keep in mind if you see something that's very similar, it's just because there's like a coincidence and someone else has happened to use a similar sentence. Once again, this is going to be 100% unique. So if you need to, you can always take the content that you get, copy it, put it in a plagiarism checker. There's plenty of them. There's got to be better options than what I've used. There are some paid ones as well, but that's a way of checking it. But hope you got some value out of this. That's how you can check your content when it comes to ChatGPT to make sure that it is plagiarism free. Thank you so much for watching. My name is James, and I will see you in my next video.